Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Weaponized CAD. I'm your host Danny, aka Weaponized Dad in gaming circles. I'm here to teach you AutoCAD at its absolute basics. The start, you just installed it, fire it up, you panic because it does not hold your hand. I am here to ease that transition. If you're a high school kid looking to learn it, if you're an adult looking to change careers, I'm going to take you from the start to the end, remove that panic, make you understand it, let you use it as a tool like you would with a pen or a pencil. That's really all it is. Pen or a pencil, you can do anything you want. You can write words, you can draw pictures, as long as you understand how to use it. That's what this channel is going to provide. I've gotten hundreds of requests to do this over the years, over my 27 years, and I'm finally getting to it, and I need to apologize to all the people that waited this long, but we're getting it going. We're starting it up. The videos are going to be broken up into episodes in series, so this will be Series 0, Episode 0, because this is the introduction. We'll start with Series 1, Episode 1, and each episode is going to be a bite-sized piece of AutoCAD, because I found that overwhelming people with information will cause them to lose whatever the starting information was. If I ramble on too long, they'll understand the end, they won't remember the beginning. The point of this is to take little tiny chunks of AutoCAD, teach it, beat it into you, so you remember it. Repetition is the key. I'm an instructor for a large engineering firm in the United States. I'm also their Civil 3D support. There's a possibility of getting into Civil 3D. It's a lot more complicated. I wanted to start at the absolute root software, AutoCAD, plain Jane AutoCAD. I'm going to provide you ways to draw things using 10 different tools. You can do things multiple ways in AutoCAD. The problem is that AutoCAD does not hold your hand at all. When you install AutoCAD, it pops up a cute little help window, and if you don't know what you're looking for, you're not going to find an answer. That's where I'm filling that gap for you. So all of these folks that have been asking me to do this over the years, they are the first ones that are going to get this channel. They need it. I help them. They contact me via email. They call me on the phone. They say, "Hey, I can't get this to work. Hey, how do you do this?" And I jump all over those. It doesn't pay me a dime, but knowing that these people are able to get through their high school classes, get through their college classes, and understand and have confidence in the software. That's what's important to me. So, once again, this is Weaponized CAD. I'm your host, Danny, aka Weaponized Dad, and I will see you guys in the first episode.